Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh, one of the co-founders at Bulkpe. We are on the fifth day of the 30-day challenge wherein we will be launching a new feature on a daily basis. Today's feature is customized report generation and account statement generation, where businesses can download reports on an hourly basis, monthly basis, weekly basis, or daily basis, or with a custom date and hour range. Businesses have unique requirements when it comes to report generation. And to support these requirements, we have made our report section very, very versatile. So let's go through the demo. On the dashboard, once you log in, you're able to see the reports option on the left hand side over here. You click on the report section. The reports are categorized between virtual account, UPI routing, and then current account if your current account is mapped. Now, for downloading the report, all you have to do is you have to go to the generate section. You need to select what kind of a report you want generated. Do you want it for the UPI collections, for your current account, or for your virtual account transactions? You select a from date and time, right? So I can select, say, 6th May. I want all transactions which have occurred from, say, 6 a.m. today or on 6th to 7th, let's say 8 a.m., right? I select a date and a time range and I can click on generate. We also have quick filters wherein you can select last hour, today, this week, this month. So let's select this month. Let's click on generate. It takes hardly 10 seconds for the report to get generated. You can see that the report has been generated successfully. You click here on download, the file gets uploaded. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much. Happy banking.